Hello friends, today we're gonna make a strawberry chocolate zebra cake. It's very delicious and very tasty. So let's start. For this, in a mixing bowl, we add 1/4 cup of refined oil and add half cup of milk. This is an eggless cake, but trust me, it's as delicious as a cake with eggs. So now we are going to sift in 1 cup of powdered sugar. So for me, this powdered sugar was made by putting granulated sugar in the grinder and I just grinded it. So this homemade powdered sugar has a lot more chance of having grains than the store-bought ones. That's why it's important to sift. And now we're going to whisk it until everything is dissolved, and then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of a good quality vanilla extract. It's very good. I really love this brand. And then we are going to sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we are going to mix and sift. And now we are going to whisk till the batter comes together. We do not want to overmix. So before, when I have made cakes, I tend to have overmixed the batter. That's why it turned out dense. I don't want you guys to do that. So now I divided the cake batter into 2 parts equally. And now in 1 part of the batter, we add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And in another part of the batter, we add strawberry crush. You can add strawberry syrup if you have in your home. And now we are going to mix in the cocoa powder with the batter. Now mixing in the cocoa powder in the batter could make the batter very thick. So that's why I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk to adjust the consistency, because a thick chocolate batter could really affect the design we make in the cake tin. So that's why we don't want that. And now we are going to mix in the strawberry one. So maybe it's looking a little pale in the camera, but it's really pink in real life. So now this is a 6-inch greased and floured cake tin. And now we add the strawberry and chocolate batters as like so. They will position themselves. Like, we do not need to do anything. We just need to pour in the batter with the ladle. So while we are doing this long process, we are going to do this until the batter is finished. Let me tell you something about this zebra cake. I searched YouTube, Google a lot to find this type of combination. I have heard about the coffee marble cake, about the chocolate marble cake. I've also heard about seen the strawberry marble cake, and also the triple flavored, the strawberry, chocolate and vanilla marble cake. But this very famous combination of flavor, which is strawberry and chocolate zebra cake, I couldn't find anywhere. So I thought, why not give you guys one of these flavor combinations to try on. So this zebra cake is basically a rich chocolatey flavored cake with a tint of freshness of the strawberry. It's just amazing. I recommend you to give it a try. So my batter is nearly finished. Okay, so my batters are finished. finished. Now we get on to the interesting part, which is designing. So we take a toothpick and make swirls like this. I can't explain how I'm doing this. You can just see the video and understand that. Just that clean the skewer every time you do this. Yes, that's looking so beautiful. It will look more beautiful after it's baked. Yummy. So this just looks like a flower. Yummy. Okay, so this is a non-stick cookware. And in this non-stick cookware, we are gonna put cooking salt. So I reuse the salt every time. Like I bake one time and then I reuse this salt. Okay. And now we are gonna place a stand. If you don't have a stand, you can place a small plate with small holes in it. But I really prefer a stand. And then I'm gonna cover the hole in the dhakkan with a roll of paper. So I have been letting it to preheat for 10 minutes in low flame because it's non-stick. But if you're doing it in a kadhai, you can do it in medium flame. And after that, we are putting it in the gas and we are baking it for 30 minutes. Okay, now this is the cake. It's done. And let it cool and I'll show you guys. So it's cooled down. I've turned it out of the baking tin. Let me cut it and show you guys. It's very spongy and tasty. So for more videos like this, subscribe and like.